very good day. I bid to Dr. Mimi, our lecturer for this EC2 subject. So today I'm going to demonstrate about our simulation circuit for this project. So the software that we use for this project is the Simulink. It is a software that can be found inside the MATLAB. So the reason we choose it is because that it have all the components that we need to simulate the circuit from the project question. So this is the circuit that we built, and uh, this circuit is based on the question, the diagram in the question, which is this diagram over here. So from what you can see here, there is a source, and this is the resistor and also the inductor to represent the resistance and inductance of the conductor, and we have a load here. So in our simulation circuit, we also have a source, and this is the sending end. This is the conductor block, so we can mimic the reactance and also the inductance for the wire, and this is the load. And after we connected this circuit, we want to find out the values, for example the power from the receiving and also the sending end, and then efficiency and also the voltage regulation. So to accomplish that, this is the circuit, the completed circuit. So as we can see here, there is 8 circuits in total. So at the left side we have the ACSR Hawk conductor. At the right side we have the Arbutus conductor. So for each row is the different load conditions. It is also from the question. So the first one we have no load. Second one is 5 megavolt ampere, 0.7 power factor, and this is 0.9 power factor. This is unity power factor, or also known as 1 power factor. So the same thing, the difference between these all circuits is that for the first no load condition, we don't add the load block at the back here so that it can represent the no load type circuit. So there's a lot of things going on at the top part, but this is just to show the sending voltage, receiving voltage, and efficiency, and also the voltage regulation, and it is not affecting our circuit at all. This is just to show the values. So try to run the circuit now. And Simulink also have a disadvantage, which is that it takes a little bit of time to run many things because it is a huge software. So now we can see here it's running. And for the no load condition, we have 0 efficiency because there's no output power, so we can't calculate the efficiency for it. And voltage regulation is also 0 because there is no V out here. And we can see for the other load condition ones. So this is the 0.7 PF for the ACSR hub. This is the efficiency, and this is the voltage regulation. This is the receiving end voltage here. And it's the same thing for the other circuits also. So the way we calculate the efficiency is by dividing the active power from the receiving end, divide it by the input power from the sending end, and multiplies by 100. So this is the divide block here. So we take the line from the receiving end, divide it with the sending end, multiply by 100, and this is a multiplication block, and it is set to 100. So this is our efficiency. Whereas for our voltage regulation is denoted by sending end voltage minus the receiving end voltage. So this is the sending end voltage, and this is the receiving end voltage. Sending end minus receiving end, divide by the receiving end. So this is a branch here. As we can see, this branch from the receiving end, and multiply by 100. This is a gain block, and this is our voltage regulation. So that is pretty much all the circuit that we built. So why we use 8 circuits instead of one is because of we lack some knowledge regarding the coding part inside the MATLAB. So we use so for each circuit type and each load condition, we use one circuit to simulate it. So that is pretty much all from us, and thank you very much for your attention.